Hello everyone, today I will introduce the JDS6600 function/arbitrary wave signal generator. These are the power button, 2.4-inch LCD screen, function buttons, the knob, and channel connectors. First, we select the English interface. On the screen are the parameters of channel 1 and channel 2. Frequency, amplitude, offset, duty cycle, and phase. Waveform selection keys, modulation function, system setting, measurement function, arrow keys. OK key, CH1 output switch, CH2 output switch, the knob. External signal input connector, channel 1 signal output connector, channel 2 signal output connector. Dual channel waveform display. The two channels of JDS6600 are completely independent of output. Adjust the CH1 waveform. Switch to the CH2 to adjust the waveform, and you can see the changes in the waveform. The basic operation of the instrument, sine wave, set the amplitude. The amplitude range is 0 to 20 VPP. The amplitude range is affected by frequency and offset. You can see the change of the waveform when adjusting the amplitude. Set the offset. The offset range is 9.99 V to 9.99 V. The duty cycle of the sine wave cannot be adjusted. The frequency amplitude characteristics of the instrument. First, switch the waveform to square wave. Set the amplitude of the square wave. The amplitude range is 0 to 20 VPP. Adjust the amplitude of the square wave. You can see the change of the waveform. Set the frequency. The range is 0 to 25 MHz. Change the frequency and observe the waveform change. Adjust the duty cycle of the pulse wave, switch the waveform to the pulse wave, press the soft key corresponding to the duty cycle, and change the value by adjusting the knob to see the change of the duty cycle of the pulse wave on the oscilloscope. Switch to the triangle wave, adjust the frequency duty cycle of the triangle wave, and observe the triangle wave waveform through an oscilloscope. Switch to the CMOS wave, adjust the amplitude of the CMOS wave, and observe the waveform change. Sweep function, set the start frequency, end frequency, sweep time, sweep direction, and sweep mode. Turn on the sweep function, you can see the changes in the waveform on the oscilloscope. Pulse function, set pulse width, pulse period, offset and amplitude, change pulse width and pulse period, and observe waveform changes. Burst function, for the burst modes, key trigger, CH2 trigger, external AC trigger and external DC trigger. The range of the number of pulses is 1 to 104, 8575. Set the number of pulses to 7, and press the trigger to observe the waveform. Measurement function, output a signal from the CH1 of the JDS6600 generator and connect it to the ext.in connector of the instrument. Press the MES key to enter the measurement function. You can see the measured frequency, positive pulse width, negative pulse width, period, duty cycle. Switch the measurement mode to count period, you can see the period of the measurement signal. Thank you for watching.